myself Ashutosh Kumar Singh. I am here to explain the next topic of the chapter 1. Topic is chapter name is sets. Now last class we have to study about the type of sets. In type of set we have to discuss that empty set, infinite and finite set, and equal set. Now after that we have to discuss here subset. Now we have to discuss here subset. Subset, it means a set A is subset of set B if every element of set A present in the set B. It is denoted by sign. This one is the sign subset of. Now I have to explain again. A set A is said to be subset of set B if all the element of set A present in set B is called the subset A. It is called the A is subset of B. Now, one important point in this subset. Suppose that all the element of set A present in set B, but in some cases all the element of B is also present in A. So in that case, all the element of set A present in B and all the element of B present in A is called the A is subset of equal to B. A is subset of equal to B. If suppose that all the element of set A, all the element of B, set B are same, then we can say that this is the subset and also equal to. Now, here I have to explain by note. If every element of set A present in set B and every element of set B present in set A, then it is called A be the subset and equal to the set B. It is denoted by A is subset of equal to B. Now after that we have to discuss the interval of subset. Interval and subset of R. Let us consider two real number A and B belongs to R. R is real number and A is less than B. Then the set of real number is called the interval as a subset. Now there are four intervals. First interval is the both are in this bracket and both are this in this bracket and both are this one. It means there are two type of signs here. One is the longer bracket and one is the smaller bracket. 2 is the larger and both are the larger bracket, and one larger, one is smaller, larger, both are smaller bracket. Now these two explanation, two interval, we have to explain in the set builder form. How? X such that X A is A less or equal to X less or equal to B. Now the graphical representation of this interval AB is this one, like this. Here is the A and here is the A and here is the B. Now after that, in this type of representation, X says that A less or equal to X less than B. It means here it is clear that suppose that larger bracket is here, we have to use the sign less or equal to, and smaller bracket is here, we have to use sign less than. Now in next one AB, here AB. Now X says that A less than X less or equal to B. The graphical representation of this one and this one is here. Now in a smaller bracket AB, X says that A less than X less than B. In graphical representation, when a small bracket we have to use here in interval, then the graphical format is both are the real number A and B, and A B. Now after that we have to use in type of set, the next one is the power set. Power set, it means the collection of all subset of set A is called the power set. The collection of all subset. In relation and function we have to study about that. What is the subset? It means suppose that any set A is equal to 1, 2, the subset of A is 1 and 2 and 1, 2. So here the power set A, it means again we have to explain here, the collection of all subset of a set A is called the power set. It is denoted by PA. Now for finding the number of power set, for number of power set is equal to using the formula 2 to the power n, where n be the number of element in the set. Suppose that in set A 3 element, then number of power set 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 8 element of the power set of set A. Now using the universal set it means the basic set is called the universal set. Basic set, it means the set where all the elements are present. Set A, set universal set. It is denoted by capital U. Again we have to explain, the basic set is called the universal set. It is denoted by U. The universal set, it means where all the set are resolved in that set. Now by the in exercise question number 9 is there. If A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6 and C is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then universal set U is equal to all these elements which are present in A, B and C set. We have to write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means some extra element present in that universal set with respect to the all element of the given set. Now in interval as a subset of R, this is a very important topic for all. It means when we have to study in class 12 relation and function, in that condition when we have to study the application of derivative, this interval is a very important point. That's why we have to write the interval in set builder form. Now in interval, it means write the following interval in set builder form. In set builder form we have to write here. It means first question is -3 and 0. -3 and 0 using the small bracket. Now here using the small bracket, it means we have to use the sign less than. So we have to write x such that -3 less than x less than 0. Now in second point 6 and 12 both are the larger bracket. Now in the case of larger bracket we have to use this sign, less or equal to and less or equal to, and the value of A is 6 and B is 12. Here listen, A is less than B. It means x such that 6 less or equal to x less or equal to 12. And in third point 6 with a smaller bracket, 12 is larger bracket. Here smaller bracket and larger bracket. Now we have to use less than and less or equal to, x such that 6 less than x less or equal to 12. Now in the fourth point, larger bracket -23 and smaller bracket 5. It means A is equal to -23 and B is equal to 5. Larger and smaller, it means second one, A, B, x such that A less or equal to x less than B. Now we have to write x less than -23 less or equal to x less than 5. Now we have to see here all the points which are related to the type of set. It means subset, interval of set, power set, universal set, and how we can write the interval in the set builder form, and how we can find the universal set by the given 3 or 4 sets, how we have to find from them the universal set. Thank you.